It's an extremely windy day, and you're listening to me now on the inbuilt microphone of the Sony A7R2. No wind protection whatsoever. What we're going to try is an external microphone with no protection, an external microphone in a blimp, and lastly, an external microphone in a blimp with a dead cat on the top. So, before I get blown over, let the testing commence. What you're currently hearing is the Sennheiser MKE 600 microphone, bare and naked, with no wind protection whatsoever. It's pure. What we're going to try next is applying the RØDE Blimp. After that, we will apply the RØDE Blimp with the dead cat. Let's see if we can get this audio sounding alright. Before I get blown away, let's apply the blimp. Here we are with just the microphone and the RØDE Blimp. There is no dead cat over the top. I'll leave you a little silence now to hear the background noise. As you can hear, there is still certainly some wind to be heard there in the background. What we'll try next is applying the dead cat. Here we are with a microphone, a blimp, and the dead cat over the top. I'll leave you a little bit of silence there just to hear the background noise. It really is extremely windy out here right now. But all in all, this is doing quite a nice job of keeping that windy background noise away. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think of the RØDE Blimp and wind cover, otherwise known as the dead cat. And, as usual guys, it's been emotional.